Hi class, it's Wadia Crowder and it's week 6 and I'm doing discussion 1. The question for this week is when you're looking at your community, the one you live in, and maybe a 3-mile radius around your home, how many different market segments can you pinpoint and what are they? Do they have the same buying habits in your opinion? I would say we have a few market segments within my community. I would definitely say demographic segment where we have it's based on like age and gender. So we have different age groups. So a lot of kids in my community, a lot of different children, and of course a lot of families that live in my neighborhood. And of course, gender, we have all genders that live in the neighborhood. We also have within the demographics, we also have elderly people. We have teenagers, young adults, um, adults within my age range as well. So it's a lot within the demographics. We also have behavioral segmentation. I would say within a 3-mile radius, we have different restaurants such as like Papa John's and Wendy's and Quiznos. We also have a few grocery stores. We have a couple of food lines. We have Harris Teeter, and just like quick corner stores as well where we can pick up like quick groceries and such. And let's see, do they have the same buying habits in your opinion? I would say yes, just because of unfortunately the restaurants that we do have in my community, they're fast food restaurants. We don't actually have within a 3-mile radius. We don't actually have like dine-in restaurants or like your typical like sit-in, and maybe we don't even have like a Applebee's or anything like that. It's just all fast food drive-throughs and such. And then our grocery stores, it typically shows that those are our buying habits because on each side we have Food Lion on one side, and you go the other direction, it's another Food Lion. So that shows that, those are our buying habits within this vicinity. We also have Harris Teeter as well for those who like Harris Teeter. So I would definitely say we have the same buying habits. All right, that's my discussion. Bye, guys.